Hello, this is Mohit, and in this course we'll be showcasing the application Social Notes. It's the fruit of our efforts here. You can see we have a list view of notes, and all these notes are stored in a SQLite database that is created in the source code of the application. And we have a cursor object to grab all these notes from the SQLite database and then put them into this nifty list view here. Now, up top here you can see we have the application icon, the title, and then some custom actions. This is called the action bar. Alright, now when you long press on a list item, you see that the action bar is replaced with new icons here. This is called the contextual action bar. And from here we can share or delete notes. So let me just show you some functions here. We can create a note, then with this button we can change the location of it. Somewhere there. We'll save the note, and you can see that note is there. So we have full create, read, update, and delete functions. We can delete this by long pressing on it, hitting delete. Alright, now what you also might have noticed when we long press on an item and the contextual action bar comes up is we have a share function. Now with this we can share to Facebook or Twitter. When we share to Facebook, you can see that there's the title of the note, dash, and then the content of the note. So, when we post this to Facebook, we're using the official Facebook SDK, and when we post to Twitter, provided that the user has Twitter installed, you can see that the Twitter new tweet dialog is coming up. This saves us some time so we don't have to use the open authentication from the Twitter SDK. Alright, let's get to the geolocation aspect of it. You can see here that we're using a Google map view for this. And in order for us to have this Google map view, we have to go onto a website, Google's official map view website, and we have to get a Maps API key. I'll show you how to get that. And you can see that it presents this beautiful world map. And there's these little markers here, some markers I put in, and what they do is when you tap on one, you can see a little balloon pops up here, and for this we'll be using a third-party library that creates these nice little balloons for us. We tap on the note, you can see it brings up this note. Alright, and how we get these notes? We get these notes by using some providers. Now, these providers are GPS providers. These are from your phone GPS. These are your network providers from cell towers nearby. And what these providers do is that they locate your phone within a certain radius. Like GPS providers are the most accurate, Wi-Fi providers are next to that, network providers are the least accurate. And you can see that the default location when we create these views is the user's last known location based on the GPS network providers. Let's back out here. This course is created in collaboration with Pablo Farias. It's brought to you by Zenva. You can find us and like us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/ZenvaDev. ZenvaDev. You can also follow us on Twitter at ZenvaTweets. ZenvaTweets. We also have great other courses in application and game development. And I look forward to helping you create this application.